Hi, I'm Chris Jones. I'm Director of Chemclear. We're a waste management and industrial services company. We provide specialist labour for dealing with anything chemically related, which includes tank cleaning, confined space work, chemical spillages. I've been in the industry for 33 years now. We are predominantly waste management, which means that we get rid of anything hazardous in terms of chemicals. We're also involved in industrial services, and industrial services pretty much covers a broad range of activities. So we can deal with chemical spillages, confined space work, confined space cleaning, I suppose anything that's chemically related. And more recently we've been involved with COVID-19 work. We've actually been contacted by quite a few of our customers because we are professional cleaners. We can assist them with making their workspace safe and also to make sure that it's suitable for when their clients and when their employees return to work. We use a multitude of equipment. We use hospital-safe and hospital-regulated chemicals and disinfectants to make sure that disinfectant, which is applied after a hard surface clean, that they envelop an area, whether it be a table or a computer or a phone, doors and handles. The whole area is fully protected. We use specialist equipment, electrostatic gun. They create an electrostatic charge, and the electrostatic charge effectively puts a positive charge onto the liquid that it discharges. That means that the liquid wraps around anything that it touches. So if you've got a metal leg on a table, for example, then if by pointing the gun and disinfectant at the table, the liquid wraps around it in very small quantities. It's micron sizes, so we're talking about 40 micron, which means that it doesn't get saturated. And the benefit of that is that you're able to cover an office where you might have electrical equipment, phones, computers, and the liquid effectively just sits on top of that and will layer dry within a few minutes. But that leaves then disinfectant to carry on working for up to 30 days. We've been doing it a long time. We have experienced staff, we use the right equipment. Once the job's been done, we're able then to issue a certificate to the client. It shows that the area's been cleaned, it's visible to everybody, including visitors and employees. What happens next? What happens once the office has been cleaned? Really, an office needs cleaning on a daily basis. Do it to the level that we clean, it's not necessarily practicable. We've teamed up with a company called Pure Air Group. Pure Air Group hold the UK licence for patented technology from America, which effectively is an air cleaning product. It's used in air conditioning systems as well as standalone units. The idea is that it cleans the air, it removes bacteria, viruses, moulds, and it enables people to be reassured when they return back to work. It brings the outside air into the office space. Suitable for warehouses, supermarkets, doctors, dentists, healthcare professionals, ideal for leisure centres, swimming pools, anywhere where somebody goes to work. They need that atmosphere, making safe, and this technology actually delivers on that.